Ready? Can you say hi, Daddy?
You gotta fill out that suit, son.
Lean back. Side view. And back to the front again. Look how his feet are. He's gonna splash the camera. Can you see how he does his feet? Now he yeah, kick, 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 kick. Exercise. Good job, little man. Good job. Splash, 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 splash. Yay! Clap! Hunter, clap! Can you clap in your outfit? Yeah. Yay, Hunter!
Can you clap? Hunter, clap.
Hunter, can you clap for Mama? Come on, sweetie, clap. He's like, I'm chewing on my suit.
He looks like Darth Vader when they take the helmet off.
Yay! Hunter, clap. Can you clap, Hunter? Let's do it. Yay, Hunter!
He doesn't want to try out the vest on anymore.
No. He's like, gosh, guys. Don't lean forward.
He doesn't like the splashing, but he keeps going.
Yep.
Well, he loves the splashing, he just doesn't like
He
it
doesn't
in
like
his
the
face.
water in his face.
We should get him a little mask, so then he can splash all he wants.
Get some goggles for him.
Oh, don't stick your tongue out, son. You're not supposed to be drinking that water. And no biting the life vest.
He's like, Daddy, you gotta get in the water. Tell me what to do. Say, I'm having fun. Mommy's already had her shower.
Okay. High five, son.
High five.
Good job. High five.
High five. Good
Yay.
job. Yay.
Now clap. Good enough,
I
son.
love it.
Love you.